Nobody else is doing it yet, huh? You think someone else would jump on it if you guys are being so
One
successful?
shop in Canada figured out how to do it.
Oh, yeah.
And they said it was our style. Like that was
Right. Still sounds good.
the grunt. A little higher pitch. Are you gonna get one too, or what?
I'm gonna get a little bit. So
he told me
I want to get.
He told me you're a car guy, so.
Yeah, 911.
You got 911?